We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Hey, what's up? It's time for a Hakka lesson right here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Hong。
Hello, 你好, 大家好, I am Josephine. Recently, I read about this article, and it's about a new word that is in the dictionary, and I think it's a great chance to educate all our listeners about this new word. 最近呢，在这个新牛津英语字典里面呢，出现了一个2006年的一个新的字汇在里面哦，叫做 carbon neutral， 中文叫做碳中和。你有听过吗？
没
啊，中文。对，这个很深奥哦。今天来教 Alice 好了。It's called carbon neutral, and basically it's a process where you're trying to absorb all the carbon dioxide in the world, and so that we have a healthier and more environmentally friendly world, such as planting trees. 哦，像种树，这是一个非常明显的碳中和的一种方式。所以我们来教这几个单字好了哦。虽然我知道哈卡里面可能没有，因为这是新字嘛，碳中和。可是如果要讲的话。
硬讲啊，
硬讲的话，
碳中和
，OK， 好，and then certain things that are associated with this includes carbon dioxide， 二氧化碳呢，
二氧化碳，
然后呢，再来，我们为了就是要环保，要 environmentally friendly，
反
保 ，OK，that's 环保 ，environmentally friendly，and finally, one of the most common ways in carbon neutral is planting more trees. 要种树。And finally, 其实我们好像没有教过这个字哦，就是字典。私电。漏电、私电、吃电。
不是。
我不知道，感觉好奇怪，为什么叫私电？
字啊。
字就是私。OK, 私电。That's a dictionary. So there you go. Let's go ahead and repeat some of those words. Carbon dioxide 二氧化碳，
二氧化碳
OK， 环保 environmentally friendly
反保
种树 planting trees
种树
and finally 撕掉的电嘛，私电私电 That is a dictionary. So there you go. That does it for our Hakka lesson of the day.
什麼大家？
俺只say張來了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制，邀您一起体验另一种不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Council for Hakka Affairs of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.